PewDiePie is one of the most popular YouTubers out there. He has over 100 million subscribers and is known for his gaming videos. So, how much money does PewDiePie have? Well, according to Forbes, PewDiePie is worth an estimated $20 million. That's a pretty impressive amount of money for someone who started out making videos in their bedroom. So how does PewDiePie make all his money? Well, a large portion of it comes from advertising revenue. YouTube pays popular YouTubers like PewDiePie to feature ads in their videos. PewDiePie also makes money from sponsored videos, where he promotes a product or service. Lastly, PewDiePie also makes money from selling his own merchandise. He has his own line of clothing, books, and other products that fans can buy. So there you have it. That's how PewDiePie makes his money. By being one of the most popular YouTubers in the world, he's able to make a pretty penny off of ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales.